95% of the product is basically a standard product, and it's the last 5% where the magic happens. And this is where the robot goes in and takes a standard product and make it custom for each individual customer. That's how we think product development. So the idea for the Magic 5 came from one of my co-founders. He couldn't find goggles that fit his face. That really made us wonder if we could use technology to make a goggle that was custom fit to your face. The vision was to make a product that we could scale and sell throughout the world. We can easily make a custom goggle for the Michael Phelps of the world that would cost $500 or $1,000. The challenging part was, how do we make a goggle that costs less than $100 and is custom fit to each individual customer? We tested 3D printing and other technologies, but we needed a technology that was reliable and that was very cost efficient. And we were lucky to borrow a robot, and then within a couple of weeks we really saw that the robot could make unique cuts for every customer very, very quickly. Phase 1 is the data capturing phase.
When someone purchases a goggle, they go through our app to scan their face, and that data comes to us, about 20,000 data points. And with that information, we then give it to the computer, which talks to the robot.
The goggles come prefabricated, and the gasket of the goggle is over-extruded to 3 inches. The robots go in and trim down to create a unique reflection of the curvature of your eye socket. And this is where the robots have proven to be far superior.
The operator just press go and make sure everything runs smoothly.
If we have 1,000 customers, it's 1,000 different scans, it's 1,000 different fits, and it's 1,000 unique products that the robot is producing. There's a few key features of the universal robots. It's a perfect size. It's not a big machinery that is very complicated to operate and maneuver around. We have it installed on a simple work desk from IKEA. This particular robot, we drove it to Indianapolis, and then we set it up at a huge swim event. We were non-stop selling goggles and producing goggles on the spot. That was really an aha moment for all those customers. The second thing that we liked was how we could work with the software in the robot. We are not asking the robot to do the same thing over and over again. We need the robot to do different things every time. It is extremely easy to operate the universal robots, and our training takes half an hour. When you combine all these things, it allows us to make a goggle in less than 2 minutes, and to us that is super scalable. If we need additional capacity, we need to buy another desk, we need to get hold of another UR3, which is not an issue, and then we plug it into our production pipeline, and then we add another 150 capacity within 48 hours. The longevity of a robot is really good. This particular guy, UR3, this is our most experienced robot. It has 7 years on it so far and produced thousands and thousands of goggles. It's proven so efficient and so successful. So when we look into other product categories, our product development really starts with how can we use a robot to make a custom product.